When a loved one passes away, it can be overwhelming for the family and executors, to say the least. But luckily, Bo Bowen of the Bowen Law Firm is here to help, along with Lena Cervera. Thank you both so much for waking up with us.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for having us.
So, to talk about this, what is probate? Tell people at home.
Yes, ma'am. Probate's the sad part of the services that we offer. That's when you've lost a loved one and it's time to take what they left behind and give it to their loved ones, the heirs, the beneficiaries.
Right.
It's definitely the hardest service that we offer.
So, Lena, tell us a little bit about what you do to help these families.
So typically, the client will come in, and it's usually the executor and also a loved one. A lot of times, people will appoint, their family, their spouse, their sibling, whatever the case may be, as the executor. And I'm here to look over the will, if they do have a will, because a lot of times there is no will, and then that's a whole different process. But I'm there to look at the will, if there is one, and basically advise them on how to move forward. I do the filings for them. I walk them through the process. It is a very difficult time for them to go through, so I try and make it as easy as possible on them.
And it can get nasty, especially when it comes to money. Forget about the person and the loss. It just gets downright nasty. I've seen this firsthand. Especially, what do you do if there is no will, or if there's only one copy of the will?
So two different things. So if there is no will, you have to basically do what's called an heirship proceeding, and that's essentially where the court has to determine who the heirs are. The court will appoint what's called an attorney ad litem, and that's basically an ad litem that represents unknown heirs. And that person basically, along with two disinterested witnesses, has to tell the court that these are the heirs, and whoever the court determines to be the heirs are the one who is going to inherit.
Now, can we probate on our own, or do we need an attorney to do this?
So, of course, anyone can, but it is not recommended. You do not want to probate on your own. There are deadlines, and if you don't meet those deadlines, you can be removed as the executor.
I had no idea. And all of a sudden, you're thrown into this position a lot of times, and you just don't know what to do. So why would you encourage people to call your firm?
Well, we're going to give them the help that they need, individual attention per that client's actual needs. Everyone doesn't need the same amount of hand-holding, if you will, but some do, and we provide whatever level is actually needed for that family at that time. So again, personalized, individualized services for that actual person's need at that time. So whatever it may be, whatever they need at that time, we can help.
All right, and if we need your help, or if we have questions about this, how can we reach out to you all?
You can find us online at www.bowen, BOWENLF, as in lawfirm.com. You can also call us at 713-574-7777. You can also find us anywhere online, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and such. Please follow us.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you for being there for people when they need you the most.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.